Apple has redesigned the Photos app once again, and I'm going to show you how to find your favorite photos in just a couple of clicks. But before we start with the video, if you're new to the channel, then please make sure you subscribe for more similar videos like this one. The first step is to open our Photos app on iPhone, and then you're going to see this new layout. Our job is to locate and tap on these three horizontal lines at the top of our screen, which is located next to the Select option, and then you're going to get some options, like the ability to sort your photos by date captured or recently added. But we want to click on this Filter option, which is then going to give me the option to filter the photos, the videos, our screenshots, but I'm going to tap on Favorites, which has a little heart icon. This will then open my favorite photos album, where all of our favorite photos and videos are going to be located. When you want to go back and exit this album, tap on the heart icon, and then remove filter. These are the steps of finding your favorite photos on any iPhone that's running iOS 26.